Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are going to talk about Bitcoin, and it is a great morning because I have the opportunity to say my three favorite words. I was right, and I'm loving it, guys. I'm absolutely loving it. So let's go ahead and dive in here. I'm going to show you guys what I was talking about. So right here on Twitter, I talked about 15 hours ago, this is the golden area for the major bounce. And what I was expecting was a bounce right here between 31,500 and around 32,000, or I'm sorry, 31,200 and around 32,000. That was my golden region. I'll go over in a bit why this region was so opportunistic for a major bounce. Now, if you go to the most recent price action, you guys can see that we absolutely came into my region and bounced just like expected. So I'm super happy about how that happened, and we're going to dive into exactly why I was able to call the bottom on this, and of course where to go from here. So are we done dropping? Is this going to continue up? There's a lot of question marks we have. My thoughts originally is that we are going to continue going up. The main reason why is because on my video, the 8 reasons why I'm bullish on Bitcoin, this level that I have drawn out was made because of some of the indicators that I talked about in that video. Okay, so this is a high time frame level that I've been looking at, and I'm super excited because it worked out just the way I wanted it to. So let's go ahead and dissect and understand why. And if you were in the live stream yesterday, you also got a lot of experience. We got to watch this whole movement live on my thoughts and rationale as to why we were looking for it. So the first thing I'm going to look at right here is we have this trend line. Okay, now on the larger picture, and I apologize that I am on my mobile, I'm at work right now. So we have this falling wedge that's been established. Okay, and this falling wedge, the bottom trend line, are these two levels right here. Okay, now my next level I'm looking at is right here. This is a 4-hour breaker, so that gave us some confluence in this level. Now furthermore, we do have these two lows that have not been swept yet. So anytime you have an opportunity to get a swept low, that's a really good opportunity, because what happens is whales cannot buy a lot of Bitcoin at one time without having massive slippage in the market. And obviously they want to get the best price that they can. So what they like to do is force the price to go down right below our lows, because a lot of people will go into short position, or they will sell, or they'll have their stop loss set at that point. And so whenever they do those three things, they actually sell their coins into the whales who are waiting to pick them up. So sweeping lows is always a really good opportunity for a really good opportunity to try to purchase some Bitcoin right below, or any sort of commodity or coin right below it. And that's what happened here. Now, another thing that I was looking at, I'm going to go to a different chart, show it more clearly. You have this golden pocket region, okay? This golden pocket region. And where I got these levels from is the very bottom from 28,726 up to the very top here at 36,605. Have the Fibonacci retracement, and it comes right into the golden pocket zone. And on Twitter, let's go ahead and show this as well. You guys can see golden pocket tap. You guys see this, right? Calling it live on Twitter. So if you guys are not following me on Twitter, you're severely missing out. Now, my other reason as to why I really like this level a lot is because of this level right here. Let's go to the moving average. Let's change it to the 50. The 50 weekly moving average was coming right into our buy zone as well. So all of those things combined gave me an absolutely gorgeous, freaking amazing opportunity to buy some Bitcoin for a really good price. Now, let's look at the lower time frame and see how it reacted once we got there. Well, if you go to the lower time frame, you guys can see we had a massive drop here on high volume. However, the retracement, the bounce, had even higher volume. As you guys know, I look for volume for confirmation. That's what, like, the biggest thing I'm always looking for, and I talk about all the time. Where's the volume? Where's the volume? Guess what, guys? For the first time in a long time, we have bullish volume, guys. We finally have it. This is awesome. I'm super, super excited about it. The last time that we had serious bullish volume was right here on this candle that swept our major capitulation. Let's go to the weekly. Yes, the last time we've had serious volume was this candle, when the one previous to that was this capitulation candle. I expect this candle right here, the most recent one, to have a lot of bullishness with it, and I do expect a massive increase to the upside, okay? Now, I don't want to go over all my reasons as to why I'm bullish on Bitcoin. One, because I'm a mobile, and I have a video, the eight reasons why I'm bullish on Bitcoin, that goes over it on an actual desktop where I can explain a lot more clearly. All of my biases are still 100% valid, every single one of them. So this drop was violent, okay? This drop was scary. I was there being like, man, I really, really hope I'm right, guys, because this is a very dangerous spot. If we drop any lower from here, we have serious issues, okay? One of my biases is that we have a bullish divergence on this level, okay? A bullish divergence in the daily. However, if we drop and close below this level right here, based upon this RSI, I think that we are going to drop below this low on RSI, which means that our daily bullish divergence is no longer valid. That's very concerning. Furthermore, if you go back to Twitter, I'm going to show you one of my most recent topics right here on Wyckoff, okay? If you look at this chart, right now, we're right here on phase C. You see 1, 2, 3 bounces, okay? 1, 2, 3. We have the spring, the test, and then the bounce right afterwards. Well, right now we have, you go back to, perfect. You have the spring, you have the test, and you have the higher low that has been formed. If we go any lower than the 30,000 region, we no longer will have that higher low, in which case the Wyckoff pattern has been invalidated, okay? So we are very close to invalidating our bullish divergence in the daily. We are very close to invalidating our Wyckoff accumulation schematic number 1, okay? So we are at a point to where we really, really do need this thing to bounce right here. So I do think if we come back in here and come in and start losing this level, I think that we have some serious downside remaining, okay? Then I'll be looking for the golden pocket region around 25 to 27,000. And if we lose that, I don't think that 20,000 is off the table at that point, okay? So that's how serious this is, guys. So fortunately, if you're following the channel, if you've been following the Discord and Twitter and all that good stuff, you have been kept in the know, right? You know what's going on, and hopefully you were able to make this move. And that's awesome, right? Oh, another thing, another really bullish case we have here. We have this massive falling wedge that was happening over the last couple days, right? 11 July. Yeah, essentially, last 4 days, we've had this massive falling wedge. Last night, we fell through it. However, we have now recovered and broken out to the upside. I think this is also a massive show of strength as well. So as long as we close above this falling wedge, I think this falling wedge is also going to help accelerate us to the upside. Let's go ahead and check out something as well. I'm gonna go to the technicals real quick. How are our shorts doing? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. These things look juicy. We still have a ton of shorts open right now, guys, and we just had a massive show of strength. What this means is that this short squeeze is absolutely not done. These guys are going to be looking to close these shorts because this was a massive show of strength. So either they know something that we don't know, or they're about to get wrecked. Personally, I think they're about to get wrecked based upon everything that I'm seeing. So yeah, guys, I think overall things look really, really good. Let's look at the DXY. Awesome. Another good, awesome indicator. DXY generally acts inversely to Bitcoin, okay? Inversely. That means when you have a show of weakness on DXY, that's actually good for Bitcoin, and it is dropping, which is awesome, because when it drops, that means Bitcoin now has the opportunity to rise. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I am super bullish on Bitcoin. You guys know my invalidation points, but I think there is a tremendous amount of upside here, and I honestly do believe we are entering phase D of Wyckoff accumulation, and we are also starting our wave 4 impulse, or I'm sorry, our wave 5 impulse. I do honestly believe that. I think that it's about to accelerate. I think this is the low of our portfolio for the next, your portfolio, all your alts and stuff are about to recover, okay? I am that confident right now. We need to wait for some confirmation, obviously. However, everything is going according to plan. Do not stress, and this is absolutely not the time to be selling. My first selling opportunity will be at the 200 moving average at around 45,000. Then I'm looking to sell some at 50,000. I'm looking to sell some at 56,000. And after that, mooning it. Okay, that's basically it at this point, guys. I do think that we have a lot of upside potential here, and I am not looking to sell anytime soon. So that's for this video. I'm sure I'll do a more in-depth video when I get home after work today. It is mine and my wife's anniversary, so I don't know how involved I'll be today, but I'll be updating you guys on Discord and Twitter all day today. I really don't have too much going on, so I'll be updating posts, little charts and stuff, and giving you guys plays and setups and trying to keep you guys up to date. So watch this video, but make sure you guys are also on Twitter and Discord so I can keep you guys up to date on that. All those links you can find in the description below. So that's what I got. Have a great day, guys, and I will see y'all in the next video.